Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope everyone's having a fantastic evening. Today is Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday, February 19th. And welcome to Guru's Crypto Garage. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. What's up, Garage Gang? How are you guys today?
GG.
The GGs. Hey, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We got a lot of stuff to talk about in the market. It's been a roller coaster right now, right? What's going on, Christian? Right now, Bitcoin's hanging around 95K, 97K as we speak. It's up right now, so we can talk a little bit about that. And we'll bring in the charts. And hold on, let's do that right now as we're speaking. We'll bring in the Bitcoin chart. And here it is. Boom. Yeah, you're right. Bitcoin is sitting right now. That is the Tau chart. Sorry, everybody.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, whoa, that is not the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is sitting at 97,198, and it's been playing around in this 95K range for the last, I want to say, for almost 5 days right now, right? Yeah. And what's going on, right? So it's, I guess there's about $298 million worth of liquidations today. So, people have been getting a little bit played, right? So we got a lot happening. What matters is, there was ETF outflows of 129 million yesterday. So put some selling pressure on BTC. Mm-hmm. And it's been testing that 95K support now for about 2 weeks. A break could basically mean 90K. And, is that what it looks like? I don't know. Right? It's been a fight, right? I've been looking at this chart like crazy, but we seem to keep bouncing back in this 95, 93K range, 94K range. I don't know. I feel like I feel like with some of the bullish news that happened today, we're starting to see this uptrend. So Ethereum has been giving us mixed signals, right? What happened in ETH? ETH is trading right now at what was trading when I wrote all this at about 2,600. ETH right now is at 2745. It's holding some crucial levels right now, but it's seen as, this week as low as 2100, right? So it's been crazy. But I think it's, as long as it stays above 2650, I'm pretty bullish on it. So we're good. I think we're starting to see it go up.
It needs to beat 4,000. That's what it really needs to beat. Then we're really excited.
Oh, absolutely. Well, look, it was, what's crazy is, like I said, when we had the big pullback 3 weeks ago, ETH is the only thing that stayed back hard. Everything else is back pretty much to where it was.
Yeah.
ETH dropped $1,000 and is still stuck there. XRP has faced some resistance and some legal timelines, right? So what happened? XRP has been trading between 258 and 273. Ripple's been fighting this deal still, and I guess there's something going on with Kraken that could impact the sentiment, but we'll see what that looks like, and that's supposed to all resolve April 16th. So, I as long as it holds above that 225 support level, I think we're really good with Ripple, and I feel like right now it's pushing closer to 270, right? So it's been doing a good job. What's really been kicked in the nuts lately has been Solana. And what happened with Solana, right? It had basically a 9% hit.
Yeah.
It was crazy. Solana was trading all the way down to the 164, 162. It was pretty scary, right? Like I told you, if it broke that 162, I was looking at a 155 Solana, right? I did take that chance to try and pick up a little more, and I was wondering if I was crazy, right? Am I stupid? Am I wasting money? But it actually had a bounce back today. Right now, Solana's trading at about 173, had a high of 174 today. It's basically an accumulation period right now. I look in Solana, right? So, but it had some hits, right? Litecoin. We've been talking about Litecoin. This is mind-boggling to me. Litecoin has been bucking the trend all week. And the worst part is we called Litecoin what day?
It's like Saturday or Friday.
Yeah, I'm like, if you look at this,
Litecoin, the only thing going up in green.
Doesn't make any sense. But what's insane, and I didn't put anything on it. That's what's crazy. I'm like, and I was like, hey, watch it keep. Yesterday, I'm like this. You won't believe what's up.
We're going to the movies, and then
I'm like Litecoin's still going
8% that day. We're like, what the?
Yeah, if Litecoin breaks above 140 bucks, that's a 30% rally. I mean, that's insane, right? I just didn't see it, but it's going. I feel like there's something going on behind the scenes in Litecoin, like there's some insider trading or something. Something's happening. I don't know. I mean, I almost want to look at the chart right now. Yeah, let's create a new light. It's so crazy. I don't even look at Litecoin that often. That I don't have it up. Litecoin right now is trading at about $131, right? So, hey, but still strong. I mean, it had a high today of about almost $137. So it's like I said, Litecoin is pushing that 140 mark. Trump's crypto policy buzz today. What happened? Trump executive orders to end Biden's crypto war. That was big news, right? And position the U.S. as a crypto leader, right? That was huge, right?
That's what the rally.
That's why the rally is happening. And why does that matter? There's no immediate price impact, but it shifts long-term sentiment positively. In regulations align, this could be a massive bullish catalyst for crypto. I mean, it really is. I mean, crypto. Anytime Trump speaks pro crypto, I mean, he did say today what he wanted to make Bitcoin, the U.S. leading,
the number one crypto and AI country in the world.
Again, right? He brought.
It's like the second and third time he said it.
So I think he's really pushing it. I mean,
he didn't forget about us.
He hasn't forgot about us. We are not forsaken.
We are not in the closet.
Yeah.
Wait. Like a skeleton.
Yeah. Wait, we have a pig sighting here.
Oh
shoot. Pig and dog. We had some action here. Looks like my wife got home from a softball. I apologize for all the action in the background, but hey, life happens, right?
You can see the dog barking.
You can see the dog. You can hear it. You can see what's really going on. This is the pig cam, and pig is not liking this at all. The pig thinks this is really bearish. Dog needs to go away. Hey, we're still talking about that LIBRA memecoin scandal, right? There's still more fallout on it, right? With Milei, right? I guess they're even talking about impeaching him, right? That's been going on. But there's been a lot of trust issues with Solana and XRP, right? Short term, it's been bearish, right? So it's really kind of pushed away from what's going on. But also the Fed's hawkish stance weighs in. What about the Fed's 97.5% chance of no March rate cut pressures on risk assets, right? Why that matters is a $415 million outflow from digital assets last weekend. $415 million outflow. That's a lot of money, right? No rate cuts. People get bearish on crypto. But BTC is still holding 95 grand. I mean, it's pretty strong. 97 right now, but It's been holding 95 for the last couple of days. Quick sentiment recap. The liquidations have been bearish, right? You had the ETFs, outflows, the Fed policy, LIBRA, fallout, Solana's token unlocks. We talked about that yesterday. Litecoin's rally is bullish. Trump's pro crypto stance is bullish. Oh, Binance returns. I forgot to talk about that. Binance returning to the U.S.
The deposits. That's great.
Yeah, Binance is actually back in the U.S. They start their deposits for the last 3 years. They've been stale, right? You couldn't do any deposits or anything from Binance. Basically, why that matters is you can do. It's just more trust in the U.S. markets, right?
Yeah, you can buy again and sell.
And all right, Garage Gang, what do you think? Will Bitcoin hold this 95, 97K range? We'll see. Or are we headed lower?
We're going to probably head it again, 95 in the morning, my guess. But here's the thing that really is another interesting thing. S&P was the all-time high today.
Yeah.
So normally, again, patterns. Again, I like to be ahead of the game, not behind the game. I'm trying to move my mindset. Normally, gold, S&P, if they hit all-time high, normally Bitcoin follows within like a little weeks normally behind. So
I'm actually bullish on Bitcoin. I feel like we might see 100K tomorrow. I don't know why this has this weird. I have this weird feeling.
Too.
I don't even want to call it. Everyone's going to say you're crazy, but I just have this weird feeling with all the positive news that's going on. And right now, I'm just watching. We're in an uptrend, and it's been pretty solid. I mean, we don't usually right now. China's in effect, and it's pushing us downward. Something is pushing us up, and we'll see. And it looks like the market's going in the right direction. I hope you guys have a fantastic night, and be blessed.
Have a great night.
this is